We're called the Hong Kong Alley Cat Watch, and we save street cats in Hong Kong and we find them new homes. And we're doing a charity function tonight.
We've got iPod shuffles for the raffle. We've got Peda Red who've donated $500, 10 coupons of $500. There's lots and lots that we're going to raffle off.
Got a round trip.
And for the auction, we're going to obviously auction off the bachelors, available men who are donating their bodies for the night.
Yes.
1 4 at the back, racing 2,000, racing 2,500. 2,500, racing 3. 3, racing 3,500.
Similar to this one every year, and on top of this we also have exhibitions and other fundraising activities. And we're very happy with the results, and we're going to save many lives on the streets with this money. Thank you very much for your support.